Welcome to class 2. Class 2 English, that is lesson 1 only, lesson 2 double model. Now we will learn part 4. Part 4 we will learn building blocks, that is grammar. I have told you previously that building blocks means grammar. In grammar, today we will learn about naming words. Naming words are called nouns. What are nouns? All naming words are called nouns. Okay. In nouns, there are kinds of nouns. There are 5 kinds of nouns. There are 5 kinds of nouns. One is common noun, proper noun, proper noun, abstract noun, collective noun, material noun. Okay. Common noun, proper noun, abstract noun, collective noun, material noun. There are 5 kinds of nouns. Among those 5 kinds, today we will learn in this lesson only 2 kinds, that is common noun and proper noun. Okay. What is common noun? What is proper noun? Nouns, all naming words are nouns, you know, as whether it is the name of a person, animal, thing, place, anything. Okay. But what is common? What is proper? We will learn. Okay. Amma has made crispy dosas. Amma means mother. Common noun. So Amma we will say common. Has made crispy dosas. Dosas also noun but common. There is a goat in the field. Goat means बकरी जिसको बोलते हैं. Goat means common. Okay, goat doesn't have. They are not mentioning this particular name. Goat means common. Common noun. Field common. Vasu and Prabhu are identical twins. Yes. Here Vasu, it is a particular name. So, it is a particular name of a person. It is proper noun. And Prabhu, this is the name of a particular person. It is a proper noun. Okay. And always common nouns, whether it is a goat, field, anything, animals, place, person, thing, anything that is common, you can write as common. But if in case of proper noun, there is a special name. Particular name is given. Okay, whether it is a person, animal, thing, place. Delhi, New Delhi is capital of India. Okay, New Delhi is a particular name of a place, so it is a proper noun. It is a proper noun. Ram is going to school. Ram is a proper noun. And proper noun, a particular name of something is called proper noun, and it starts with a capital letter. Proper noun always starts with a capital letter, like Vasu and Prabhu. Vasu, particular name of a person, is proper noun. Prabhu, particular name of person, so proper noun. Meeli plays with her sister. Meeli, proper noun. This is a name of a particular person. So, Meeli is a proper noun. Plays with her sister. Sister is a common noun. Sister, all are sisters, all are brothers. So, sister's name is not given, so it is a common noun. India is a beautiful country. India is a proper noun. Country, common noun. Last Sunday we went to the zoo. Sunday, name of a week. So it is a proper noun. We went to the zoo. Zoo is a common noun. Zoo is common. Zoo is a place, name of place. But the zoo is one place. Okay. But what zoo's name is not given. So it is a common noun. Okay. Sunday is a particular name of a week. So it is a proper noun. Understood? So anything that is given a particular name is called a proper noun, and proper noun always starts with a capital letter. Proper noun always starts with a capital letter. You have to remember the proper noun always starts with a capital letter, and common noun is common in all. Okay. Amma, this is Amma means mother, what we say. So she is common, name is not given. So common. Dosas, common. There is a goat in the field. Goat common, field also common. Vasu and Prabhu, these are the names of particular persons. So proper. Mealy, proper, because it is the name of a girl. Sister, common. India, proper. Country, common. Sunday, proper, because it is a particular name of a week. And Jew is common. Okay? Have you understand what is a common and proper noun? So in this lesson we have learnt about common noun and proper noun. Thank you.